You know, it's crazy, chat. I was gonna throw this tool away not too long ago. I have a bunch of this. I was like, what the hell? I don't need it. Because it was all oxidation on it. Corrosion. So I was like, man, I'm gonna throw this shit away. This right here saved me today like $120. Gets crazy. I want you to pay attention, chat. You see how it's gonna start spinning. Watch this. That's it. That's it. Alright, chat, look. You see? Now it spins. We're gonna put it back together and I'm gonna show you after the process. Look, there's all the tools I needed. I needed a 316. I don't know if you can see it right there. A 316. I don't know what is this called, but a 316. One of these. I forgot the name of it right now. And I needed this one here. The man, what size is this? This is that's crazy. It's not here, but that's it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to put it back together.